Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
The farmer in the dell, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife,
A,
the farmer takes the wife, hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
B,
The wife takes the child, the wife takes the
C,
child, hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child
D,
takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse,
E,
hi-ho the dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
F,
The nurse takes the cow, the nurse takes the cow, hi-ho
G,
the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog, hi-ho the
H,
dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
I,
The dog takes the cat, the dog takes
J,
the cat, hi-ho the dairy-o, the dog takes the cat.
K,
The cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse, hi-ho the
L,
dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse
M,
takes the cheese, hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese stands
N,
alone, the cheese stands alone, hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
O,
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, C. Red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for egg. F for frog. G for glass. H for hat. I for igloo. J for jam. K for kite. L for lamb. M for man. N for net. O for onion. P for pen. Q for queen. R for ring.
all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider
S for star.
the spout again.
T for train. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came
X for xylophone.
and washed the spider out. Out came the sun,
Y for yacht.
dried up all the rain, and the itsy bitsy spider went up
C for zebra.
again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.